Don't burn a bridge. Only God can walk on water. Don't play yourself. Some people burning bridges, and I'm like, can you walk on water? Like when somebody burn a, I don't get this.
Bridge burning doesn't make sense.
Stay focused. Don't fall for the trap. Stay away from they. You know what I'm saying?
I got tens of pep on tens, yeah. Pulled up in that Benz, by the city, we so rich. How they look so fly, how they bitch don't die.